Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a morning this morning. The markets are pumping. We're asking the question, have we turned into a bull market? Well, you know what I think. I know we haven't, but the definition of a bull market is very disputed between a number of weeks before the markets turn, a certain period of time of upswing. However, we've had a good run. Look at this now. This is my year to date. I'm up 8% on the year. If we look at the whole year, look, you can see from January it's been trending upwards, and it's the best period of sustained growth I've had since I started my portfolio at the end of the crazy overbuying, at the end of the overheating of the bull market. So there you go. You can see it. I still say we are in a bear market. It's a bear market rally that's been running for a while. I still have plenty of buys to buy lower. Let's get straight into our trades and welcome everyone. All right, welcome everybody on TikTok. Welcome everybody on Twitter, all my Twitter followers. Thank you so much indeed. I post all my trades there, the things that I'm doing in the morning, my thoughts for the day, and so on and so forth. I've been talking about Coca-Cola the last couple of days. The board members love the new appointment, and I'm up now on my Roth and my brokerage position on my Roth IRA. Let's go through the markets very quickly, and let's bring in the ticker. Here we go. Let's put it on the screen now, all the latest prices. Keep it going and all the information that you need for this channel. If you look below the description, we have all the links. If you want, one of the most important things is my Twitter. I'm hoping to be at 1,000 followers. We've only started it like 6 months ago by the end of the year, which is great. Only 2%, I believe, are above 1,000. So we're growing really, really well. Thank you to all of my YouTube followers. Here is my Twitch. I share my thoughts, my trades, everything I'm doing before I do it, as I do it. So you'll never miss a trade. You'll never miss a thought, what I'm selling, what I'm buying. There is my Twitter. Follow me on there, and that would be great. I'm running a poll at the top as well. That's pinned to the top. If you want to vote in that, that's great. I'm looking at getting the verification tick. Because it shows that you've paid for the account, you've verified your account, you've got a verified email, verified cell phone, and you trying to differentiate from the scammers. I'm getting hundreds of copycats everywhere I go now, so I'm trying to protect my members here. Anyway, let's bring in who was here first this morning. We have got Morning Bill. Says Eric. You'll notice that my members now have a badge on the screen. Can you see that? So you can see Bill. Look, he doesn't have a badge. Oh, he's in Chinese this morning. I'll read that out in a second. And but Eric B does. Can you see that? It's my members, and 22 has a spanner on the screen. He is a moderator. Can you see how that works now? We're starting to upgrade all our members now. There's more cash giveaways coming in. We've got a cash giveaway on Friday, and we've got our biggest ever prize coming up. It's 100 times bigger than any other prize we've ever given away on our show. 22 U.S. initial jobless claims, actual 198,000, forecast 196, and previous 191. Now, the Fed will like that. That shows more people being unemployed. The market's heading to a recession. Some are saying a depression, and hopefully that will be the beginning of the bull market, the bottom. All right. There you go. See, Mike has a badge and a spanner. Can you see that there? Look, he's a moderator and a member. You can see it on the screen right now. We need to do that because we are adding more features for our members soon. And there you go. From Jason Fallon, thank you for joining me last night on my music show. Last night we had, I think, one of our best music shows. I had a really great crowd, and I was more chilled out last night than I've been for a very long time on the music channel. I'm going to open it up. If anybody missed the event last night, I'm going to give you the link to it. It was, I hope you all enjoyed it. Well, I know you did. You said you did. We had a great night. This was the past live stream. This was last night's event. If you missed it, I'm going to give you the link to it. It was a very chilled out night. I really found a place to go, and I was joined by our best friends, our family members, and there you go. If you missed it, there is. I've just put it 3 times in the chat. I'll just put what that is because you can't quite see that, right? Chill out show. I think it was one of the best, actually. I hope you think so. Here we go. The chill out show. Let me put it on the screen right now. There you go. There you go. There's last night's chill out show. If you want to check it out at the end of the day, you can. All right. Good stuff. Trago Gaming. We've got a guest here. I think we've seen you before, Trago. Welcome to you. Hi, Martin. Good to have you here. I've got some comments here from Bill. We can only translate our members' comments. That's part of the badges and the spanners you can see on the screen. So we are going to translate, but we are just going to limit the translations. Yesterday we had a poll. Most of you were okay with it if it was less. So we're going to limit it to members. Another members perk. We can limit the. We can do the translations, but only for breaking news and members. Okay. Good morning, Trago, says Mike. Green day or red day? I say green, looking very strong. Shall we go through my entire portfolio this morning? It's looking very, very nice indeed. The Roth IRA, we got some news, of course, of Virgin Orbit as well. So let's look at that now. Here we go. This is my overall position. Quick sip of tea. Welcome, everybody, on TikTok. Well, we got one of our record audiences this morning on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. How is everybody on TikTok? Let me just spend a moment, folks, talking to my TikTokers just for a second. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Our home is here on YouTube. What you're watching is on my phone, looking at my YouTube broadcast on a screen. That's the best place to go. If you are a serious trader, a serious investor, you want to be part of the family, but this is real money after all, you need to be on YouTube. On TikTok, I have hundreds of scammers pretending to be me. They're not me. You can tell who the real Martyn Lucas is because, first of all, I spell my name correctly. Number 2, I'm always live. 3, I only ever follow my members, my top gifters and subscribers here. Don't follow anybody else. Well, I don't do follow for follow. That way I can engage with my real members and you know who I really am. Also, I never email you, contact you and try to ask you to buy anything. I don't ever do that. I'm here to help you. I give away cash prizes all the time. I'm here to support people. I do not ever message you. I only ever reply to my... No, this is not a recording. This is not a recording. We are live every day, up to 10 hours a day. So if you want to be part of our real trading team, our real investors, we're live right now on YouTube. The link's up here. It's Martyn Lucas Investor. You know which is the real me. I'm verified and you can see that my account is real, okay? Martyn Lucas Investor. So that's youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. I just received a message from you. Not from me, you didn't. I never send anyone a message. That's why I'm telling you right now. Over on TikTok, there are hundreds of people pretending to be me. They don't go live. They just follow everybody and everybody follows them back. It's absolutely silly. Stop doing it. I don't know why people on TikTok want to get famous for doing nothing. It doesn't have any value whatsoever. If someone follows you and you follow them back, it has no value whatsoever. Anyway, what will I do when TikTok gets banned in the USA? First of all, I don't think it will, but it doesn't matter to me. The home of my channel is on YouTube. My audience and my business and everything that's serious and real is on YouTube. So if you want to join me, we're here on YouTube. But I don't think TikTok is going to get banned. However, if you want to be part of the serious channel, you should be on YouTube anyway. All right. Back to my YouTubers. Good morning, guys. Let me bring more information here. US GDP, quarter on quarter, final, actual, 2.6. forecast 2.7, previous 2.7. GDP, that means GDP, gross domestic profit, is dropping. That's good. That's what the Fed want to see as well. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, let's go down here. Some more comments. Good morning to you, says Stephen Lewandowski. That's from Florida. Good morning, all. Let me get to the bottom of the comments. Got a lot of comments. Bloody fantastic, said Jason Fallon. We did a bit of Australian music as well last night. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Paul Stone. Just got my mug. We'll post a picture soon, mate. Thank you very much indeed, Paul Stone. Paul Stone's got himself a new mug. Awesome. Thank you very much indeed. Ed Nevius, can the real Slim Martin please stand up? Please stand up. Absolutely right. It's incredible. People on TikTok this morning saying you just messaged me. Awful, awful. I'm getting verified on Twitter. I'm verified on YouTube, and I'm trying to get verified on TikTok to protect all of my users. But I keep telling you every day, if you don't want to be scammed by somebody, join me here on YouTube. All right, I can't make it any easier. Malk, morning, afternoon, evening. You'll notice now our members have badges after their name, and I can highlight that. See the badges? We will hear any news from Virgin Orbit today. Will we hear any news from Virgin Orbit today? Apparently we will. I'm watching all the wires. Let's see what happens. Matthew Brown companies have gone very, very quiet all of a sudden. Right, this is my overall position. This is my Roth IRA, and we're at 49,000 again. Our highest ever was 50,000. We're running a poll right now on Twitter. Do you think this is the beginning of the bull market? I'm going to give you the link to it right now. And I also posted about my Coca-Cola news this morning as well. And Virgin Orbit news will be posted after this show goes out. This is my my Twitter right now. This is the poll we're running right now. We've already got some votes. There we go. There you go. Overall, at the moment, 6 people think it's the way forward. It's a bear market. I'll give you the link for it. So if you want to vote on this and follow me on Twitter, please do. It's where I leave all my information when I'm off air. There you go. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. And that's where I'll be posting the information as well for Virgin Orbit later on today. Anyway, there we go. We're having a very nice rally right now. Let's see what's moving. Good morning, Eric. Now, Ed Nevius. Is Ed Nevius in the chat? Ed Nevius, me and Ed Nevius have got something extremely exciting to announce to you very shortly. I'm making a special video with it. Ed, I'm going to contact you today. We want to have an interview together. Let's record something for that. Ed is providing a prize which is 100 times bigger than any other prize we have ever had on our channel. And we had a $100 cash prize. And this is 100 times bigger than that. It's our best ever prize on the show. Very excited about it. I'm waiting to do a proper video to announce it. But there he is. There's Ed Nevius. Very excited about it. It's without doubt the very best prize we've ever had. Okay, so if you want something really special, it's open to all. You don't have to be a member. It's a free to enter competition, and we've got the cash prize tomorrow, of course. But I'll be announcing it soon. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. A lot of scalp trading going on with Virgin Orbit right now. Rivian, still down 12%. Tesla, want to buy it at 150. Lucid, want to buy it at 6. Apple, I've got enough. It's a big enough part of my portfolio. Okay. Amazon, I've got enough. It's 15% of my portfolio. Absolutely great. I said it was the best, one of the best, that with Meta, one of the best stocks you can buy. I'm holding it. All right, McDonald's is flat. I want to buy it. It's so expensive, though. It's running away. It's now up 7%. I've got some. I'm in it. I've only got one share. I like McDonald's. It's a real estate company, not a burger company. If you ever sort of seen Founder, you'll understand that. Coca-Cola up today again. The board members love this. This stock now is trending up 2.96. Great dividend. By the way, who received their free money today with the S&P 500? Did anybody get paid today? We're all excited. I did. Did you all get paid today? Let's have a look at our history. Everyone got free money today. I like to call it free money. Of course, it's not technically free money. You all get it. But let me put it on the screen. Where is my the S&P 500? Where is my history? Why is it not showing history on the screen? Ah, there it is. I was thinking, where can I see it? Right, dividend from the S&P 500. Yay, $61. So this month is my best ever month. For the very first time, I've earned $100 in dividends. I've got my Luca badge owners over there. Thank you ever so much indeed. SB211259. Welcome to you. One of my subscribers on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed for supporting my TikTok. I couldn't be live every day without my subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. I have just 4 subscribers. Just 4. And thank you so much for being one of those. Without the members, subscribers, it would make no sense for me at all to be spending any time on TikTok. So thank you very much. And I hope you enjoy the exclusive content and me promoting you wherever I can. Thank you very much indeed. All right, so that's great. My first $100 month. Long may that continue. Ed, I'm excited to hear the news. LOL, yes. Ed, don't share any information yet. Ed, I'm sure he won't. Hi the world. Hi Martin. How are you? Good morning, Felician. Felician, you'll notice now, Felician, on the screen, our members are highlighted. Our members all have badges, so you can see who our members are on the screen. And we are doing the translate. We're trying to reduce the translation slightly for members and important news. Important news. So consider becoming a member. There are many, many perks, and that is one of the perks. All right, we've just added so many perks to our channel. We're here to help and support us in any way we can. More regulation coming for banks is good. However, there's hardly any point for me, I don't see, in investing in a bank. Anyway, stop teasing. Yeah. Hi, Stephen. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Ed. I'm excited to hear the news. Yes, it's a great one. It's our best ever prize. Ed Nevius, can't wait to hear the news. And thank you. Yes, you're going to love it. U.S. Secretary Yellen. It is critical to re-examine whether supervisory and regulatory regimes are adequate to risk the banks face today, and if necessary, to address them. More regulation is coming to the banks. I agree. Yes, excited about it, but can't talk about it yet. There you go, Ed. He's like, why can't I tell someone? Thank you very much for my latest follower. I've just got another follower on Twitter. Thank you very much indeed. We've just moved up to 573. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers this year. We've got a brand new... Well, I've only been going 21. Only started it at the end of last year, so I'm extremely chuffed. It's where I post all my trades, all my events that I'm doing before and after, and so on and so forth. So if you don't want to miss anything, this is where to go. And people often say, why do you like your own posts? Because I'm a positive person. People say, you shouldn't like your own post. I don't like my own post if I want. I like liking my own post. It just fills me with positivity and happiness. So there you go. All right. Now then, we don't need Matthew Brown anymore, says Felician. Yes, with the money you made this month, you're on the road to buy Virgin Orbit by yourself. Felician, don't you know it? Don't you know it? All right, let's go back and have a quick look at my overall portfolio. So we're up again today, which is looking good. My overall portfolio is up. I want to get to 50,000 sooner than later. I did earn $100 this month, so that's helped on dividends. I have a good amount of dividends now coming. It's my highest ever month. I've never earned $100 in 1 month from dividends. So that's very exciting. Okay, Virgin Galactic today. Yesterday we saw the glide test. And Eve was attached to White Knight. Here is Virgin Galactic today, up 0.99. Virgin Orbit, still scalp trading, and I'm still holding. Now you're looking at it going, he's only got 500 shares, he sold them. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Go to the Roth IRA, and there is 2,000 shares. I haven't sold any. It's 7% of my portfolio. It's down 25%. I'm holding my position, and there we go. Right, half an hour before the bell goes. Quick sip of tea. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Aviation mobile apps. I think I received... Did I receive some messages from you last night on YouTube? I think I did. I was replying to you. I think I did. I was looking at some of your messages. Anyway, Galactic stock may very well have a future, whereas Vorb may not. That's what aviation thinks. Who remembers when Musk showed up early one morning at Branson's house in his, with no shoes on, to wish him good luck right before Branson's flight? We all remember that. I suspect a gentleman's agreement ensued, Branson not to compete in the satellite launch market and Musk not to compete in the tourism market. I don't know. I tell you what, I know for a fact that wouldn't happen. I know for a fact that wouldn't happen, and that's all I'm going to say on that. I know for a fact that would not happen. Anyway. You can judge from that as you think, all right? That would not happen. All right, Virgin Galactic looking good. The S&P is holding up. So let me go back to what 22 was talking about some moments ago. And while I'm doing that, let me bring this up a minute so you can see where we are. So here we go. Initial jobless claims. I'm going to open up. This is very, very important this morning, this news here. 22 broke it for us on the show. And thank you for 22 for all his input into our show. I appreciate it. And let me put this out now. A number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits rose by 7,000. Now that's good. Bad for you being unemployed, but this is what the Fed want. From the previous week to 198,000 on the week ending March 25th, slightly above expectations of 196,000. While surpassing expectations, the result remained at a low level by historic standards and continued to point to a stubbornly tight labour market in line with the hot payroll figures for February and the Federal Reserve's outlook for low unemployment. The tight job market forces employees to raise wages to attract and keep staff magnifying inflationary pressure on the American economy and adding leeway to the central bank to continue tightening monetary policy. The 4-week moving average, which removes week-to-week volatility, rose by 2,000 to 198,250 on a seasonally adjusted basis. Initial claims rose 10,906 to 223,000. There we go. We've got another... Thank you very much, Eric. Congratulations, Martin, on reaching $100 of dividends. That's only this month. So I'm only getting that now every quarter. What we want, of course, is we want to get that every month. every month. That's what we want. And then you can start to say you have the start of a pension. If you have money coming in every month, you technically have your own built-in, personalized, hands-on, your own pension you've created for yourself. So that's what it's all about, right? That's what it's all about. There's another important one to read as well. GDP, the GDP price index. This is very, very important as well. Let's read this to you. This is very, very important. We all need to understand this. The US gross domestic product price index, which measures changes in the prices of goods and services produced, increased 3.9% on quarter to a record high of 129,500.508 index points in the fourth quarter of 2022. That's not good. That's not good. Let me look at it closer here. GDP price index. But last time it was 4.4. The consensus was 3.9, so we're on target. That's what the general consensus thought it would be, 3.9. Previous was 4.4. So it's good that the growth is coming down. We know that inflation has peaked and it's coming down slowly, but it's still too high and it's still up. Inflation is still going up. It's just going up at a slower rate. But it's good to see it's slow. The rate is slowing, but it's still not enough. But it's a move in the right direction. That's why the markets are up today. They probably will dump, I would imagine, on the bell, though. I would expect that's what normally happens on this kind of news. But we'll see what happens. It's not great news. Inflation isn't being smashed. It's got a long way to go to get down to 2%. But anyway, there we are. Let's go through our position with half an hour to go. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit is still going down. 39 cents now. Let's pan out and see how low it got. It got as low as 37. So when we're going down again. I'm not buying anymore. I could. This is when you buy to scalp it. If I wanted to do that and then scalp some today. Over the last few days, we have seen the opportunity to do that. I need to point out, though, it's very, very important, extremely important. I paid the price for this. As you can see right now, I have got 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. I'm 25% down. So, if I buy another 2,000 shares right now, which I've got enough money to do. I could do that. I would have 4,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. I would be approximately 12% down. Great. I've lowered my average, and I would improve the situation, right? That'll be great. That'll be great. However, if I then decide to sell, thinking, right, let's take some profits. I heard some of you yesterday saying you were doing that. You were scalp trading. If you do that, you have to remember the FIFO rule. First in, first out. So, if I bought 2,000 shares today of Virgin Orbit and I lowered my average to 12% down rather than 26, which is about what it would be if I bought twice as much and so on, it would halve my loss. Makes sense, right? If I then sold those 2,000 shares the moment it pops up 10%, I'm going to ask the question. Let's see if anyone knows. In fact, I'm going to do a poll. Do I win? Do I win or lose? Win or lose? Okay. I'll explain the question again, and I wonder how many people know the answer to this. Let me say, everyone paying attention? We're in class now. We're having a little quiz. Virgin Orbit, I have 2,000 shares. I am 25% down. I buy another 2,000 shares right now, which means I'm now down about 12.5%. That's great. Fact, I've lowered my average. Fantastic. It then moves up 10%. It goes up 10%, right? So we go from where we are now up 10%. I then sell 2,000 shares. I've just gained 10%. Do I win or lose? Do I make a profit or lose? Do I win or do I lose? If I buy 2,000 shares now and we are down 25%, my average will move down to about 12.5%, something like that. We go up 10% and I sell 2,000 shares. Do I win or do I lose? Sounds obvious, right? Ask the community. Let's see who knows the answer to that one. Is it a trick question? Am I trying to trick you? Is it obvious? You think, well, yeah, obvious, isn't it? Well, what do you think? I'm doing a quiz. I want to see. Very important. Extremely important. Extremely important that every single person here gets that right. How many have voted on that? Is it a trick question? Am I trying to trick you out? It'll only bounce so many times before it doesn't bounce again. Don't chuck more at it. No, you're right, 22. If it's going bust. VHC dividend, news, low volume though, from Ed Nevius. If you sell above your average. And that's not what I said, George Semaine. I said if it rises 10%. So, I've got 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit and I am down 25%. I buy another 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit right now. My average goes down to 12%. Down. Great. Brilliant. All that's positive. And then it moves up 10%. Way, fantastic. I'm going up. Gain 10%. I'm only down 2% now. That's looking good. Right, I'm only down 2%. I sell 2,000 shares. Brilliant. I'm selling 2,000 shares. Do I win or do I lose? Is it a trick question? Some of you are going, well, of course you're going to win. Do you win or do you lose? The person on TikTok, better than where you were but still a loss? No, you're not right either. Lose by 15%, says Mike. You need a higher percentage than the percentage to break even. For me, with your average, you are a win-win situation either way. Mohammed Gahain. Mohammed Gahain. Oh, Mohammed Gahain, you buy 100,000 shares at a time. Mohammed Gahain, that scares the living balls of me. For me, with your average, you're in a win-win situation either way. I did not expect you to say that. I will give you the answer. I will give you the answer. In fact, I'm gonna have some fun with you. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna have some fun with you now. Okay. I'm being a bit naughty here, but I don't care. I'm doing it anyway. I'm doing it anyway. I'm going to give you the answer right now. You're gonna go, what? He can't do that. He can't do that. I can do what I like. Hang on, where is it? I want this. Okay. Okay, there we go. I need to give you a tag. Okay, this is going to be fun. We're having some fun this morning. We've got to have fun, right? If we're making money, we got to have fun. Okay. All right. Now then, I can't give away everything for free. So what I've done, let me pin. Hang on, where did I put that? Where did I put that? I'm reading some of these comments. The problem I see owning Vorb is it acts like a boat anchor to the rest. It does. It does indeed. Okay. Okay. There you go. So, if you want to find out the answer to that question and why, you've got to be a follower on my Twitter. There it is. There's the answer. There's the answer. I want you to go and comment on that. There's the answer. I will at the end of the show, I will tell you what the answer is here. But if you want to know now why, if your curiosity is getting the better of you, there is the Twitter link, and I'll give you the answer, and I want you to follow me on Twitter and comment below. There, I'm going to pin it to the top so you can find it. Okay, I'm going to pin it to the top. There you go. Now you can find it. It's right at the top. Okay, I've pinned it to the top of my Twitter account. Oh, that's terrible. Some of you got it right. Some of you got it wrong. Now, there are nearly 50-50 of you. So there's about, what, 13-ish either side. I don't want to give it away, but there's about 50% of you, let's just leave it like that, who literally need to know the answer to this question. All right? I'm not going to tell you which 50%, but 50% of you are literally missing out on a huge amount of money. I can't. I got to tell you in a minute. I'll tell you when I've got 10 likes. When I've got 10 likes on that post, I'll tell you the answer. Win. That's obvious. Crag, do you think so? Do you think so? Do you think it's obvious? Do you? All right. Well, you got to go and look at the. When I get 10 likes, I will tell you on here what the answer is. If people don't understand the percentage of the value at the time and it alters depending on the value, they shouldn't be in the market. 22 is like screaming at the TV going, you are kidding me. People don't know the answer to this. They shouldn't be in the market. What are they doing? What's going? Flutter Edit says hold. You won on half of your position and reducing your loss is always good, even though still down. Ed Nevius, that is not a complete answer. Come on. So many of you now are losing money. You're losing money. You're throwing away money. You're throwing away right now, $1,000. Who is losing and who is winning $1,000? The method and decision process is what's important, not a specific set of numbers, right? If you sell at the time below your average, you make a loss on that trade, in my opinion. George, you are wrong. Mohammed, Orbit will jump when you least expect it. I think it will go to $1 soon. Yes, but what you said was wrong. What you said was wrong. Selling all or only 50%. Selling 2,000 shares. Selling 2,000 shares. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Right. Three more likes. and I will give you the answer. The brain doesn't have wrinkles. This is a tricky question. Good morning. What? Now, whoa, hang on a minute. We've got people coming in here who invest every day on the stock market, and they're going, that's a tricky question. If you don't know the answer to that question, you need to turn YouTube off right now. You need to get off the stock market. You need to go home and watch Little House on the Prairie. You should not be here on my show if you don't know. We're going to have some fun with this. Oh, my flipping God. We've got 7 likes on that post now. I'll give it to you again. I'm just giving you the answer for those of you that are looking on my Twitter account. Now, I've pinned it to the top. There's the link. We've got 15 minutes to go. Mohammed Kahine, I'm not going to sell Orbit because it goes up. I will be mad and regret it. I'd rather take a risk and hold. Yeah, I'm holding it. I'm right with you. However, you all need to know, what's this about? Sid Arthur, for the benefit of Sid, we're running a poll. Look at my Virgin Orbit. Very simple question. I have 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. I am down 25% on Virgin Orbit. Right now, I buy 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit at the market price right now. 2,000 shares. I am now down 12.5%. Correct? We all agree on that. It then pops up 10%. I'm still down 2%, but I decide to sell 2,000 shares. I've just bought shares because some of you are scalping and you think this is how you get out of a stock. You sell 2,000 shares, you've gone up 10%. The question I'm asking in the poll is, do I win or do I lose? Do I win or do I lose on that trade? Very simple. I buy another 2,000 shares. I halve my loss. It goes up 10% and I sell those shares. Do I win here on Robinhood right now? Very simple question. It's easy. It says Flight Channel. 100% win. 100% win. This is our biggest investor on the channel. Our biggest investor, Mohammed Kahine, is our biggest investor. Is he right or is he wrong? I've now given you the answer on my Twitter. Go and follow me on Twitter. Here is the link to the post. I give you the answer. There it is. It sounds obvious. And some of you are going, well, it is obvious. You just won. Have you won or have you lost? Right? I'm not trying to get you all to go to my Twitter account. Well, I am, but I'm not. Right? It's not as obvious as you think. Expert marketer you are. I'm the best salesman in the world, aviation. We've missed the Queen of Self-Braiding. There you go, Queen. You've got a badge on the screen with a moderation. We've missed you. How was your trip to Africa? How was your trip? You lose the first in, first out. Mike is starting to give his thoughts. I've given you the answer on Twitter. I want 2 more likes, and I'll give you the answer here on YouTube. It's easy. Well, what is the answer, Flight Channel? Oh, Flight Channel. We all absolutely loved your Barbie routine. I played it on the show. For those of you who didn't see this, let me see if I can find it. This was really, really funny. I'm just looking right now. I'm just looking for Flight Channel. Okay, here it is. I found it. Okay, I found it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. I'm going to give it to you now. Look, and then I'm going to give you the answer. We need 2 more likes. Look at this. This is Flight Channel.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news from Barbie here, ladies and gentlemen. Rise and get in here. Rise and get in here. I got to talk to you about this Virgin Orbit bus. Is the rocket going to bust or something? That's what Martyn Lucas talking about.
Martyn Lucas.
No, Barbie, the rocket's not going bust. He talking about the company go bankrupt. You want to hear what he had to say? Yeah, I want to hear what he had to say. Let's roll it there, production team. Roll it.
Orbit could go bust tomorrow. We run a poll on our show. We actually think tomorrow it will go bust. What do you think? Join us live. Virgin Orbit. Will it bring down Virgin Galactic? Tomorrow we are ready. We're prepared. Good luck, everybody.
See, Barbie's not talking about the dang on rocket, but he's talking about the company could go bankruptcy. There'd be no more Virgin Orbit. Oh, thank God nobody gonna get hurt at that rocket bust open, but I going bankruptcy. Martyn Lucas. Oh my God. Is he gonna lose a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen? Marcus Lewis, don't lose all that money. Cash in your stocks now, ladies and gentlemen. Cash in by Friday. We're gonna see a buzz on Virgin Orbit. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Oh
buzz,
my
buzz,
gosh.
Buzz. See ya.
There you go. What do you make of that? So there you go. Anyway, thank you very much for Fight Channel for providing that great entertainment on my channel. I shared it, and I hope it got you some more views. All right, one more like on Twitter, and I will give everyone the answer. So there you go. I'm going to give you the link right now. Leave me your thoughts and explain what you think about that. Someone said to me, "You know when you're getting famous when people make videos about you." When Barbie. It's the way Barbie went, Martyn Lucas. That's what was like. That's what made me laugh. Anyway, freaked me out when I first saw it. I thought, okay. Anyway, if you are in a losing trade and cost average to make up some losses and sell half the loss, rinse and repeat, says Ed Nevius. You lose. Yes, you do win, says Pony Boy. Pay your taxes, said Jason Fallon. You are technically selling the first shares you own and losing on them, but getting your leftover 2,000 cheaper. Obvious win, in my opinion. Crag, in the Virgin Orbit heart, you lose. How's the vertigo, mate? Thank you very much for asking. I'm feeling so much better today. Exciting. I did not see Zach at all. How come? What happened there? Wrong, you lose because of the cost average. You lose if you bought in from scratch to win. Your scenario is a loss. Okay, I'm going to give the answer now. We need one more like on Twitter and I'll give you the answer. We're at 9. Okay, we need one more like. If you've not found the answer out yet and explain and seen the reasoning, there is the answer. I will give it to you in a moment. We've got a few minutes to go before the bell goes. I can't tell if he's insulting you or not. Ha, ha, ha. Do you know what, Jason? It's all good for me. It's all good. Doesn't worry me. It did at first. When I first saw it, it was my first meme video. I've got loads of memes, loads of people commenting. Not very nice things. It's all part of, social media and getting bigger online. And when I first saw it, it freaked me out. I'll be honest with you. Me and Leah went, flipping it, what's this? And then I thought, hang on a minute, embrace it. This is the beginning. So I'm looking at it in a positive light. Using the doll, show us where he... I'm not reading that out. You still lose. I would lose anyway because I'd still have my main loss from the first. I'll explain it all in a minute. Lose 2% on 2,000 shares, selling a lower average on lower 2,000 shares. Wash sale, can't tax, harvest. Right. All right. Okay, we've got 10 likes now. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 577 followers on Twitter now. Thank you so much indeed. We're trying to get to 1,000. There we go. 10 likes. Here is the answer. Thank you very much, Leah. Thank you very much. You all right this morning? Oh, babe, can you bring some water as well? Make sure I drink water as well. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. There is the likes now. Thank you ever so much indeed for taking part. The answer to our poll on YouTube. If you did that trade, you would lose big. You would lose big due to FIFO rule. You would lose big. And I'm absolutely scared to death that Mohammed Kahin, who buys 100,000 shares at a time, got that wrong. Let me explain. If I bought Virgin Orbit at 2,000 shares at market value right now, I would lower my average, which is great. I've got shares at a lower price, which is great. It now goes up 10%. I start getting really excited and go to everybody, I'm up, I'm up 10%. Brilliant. Those shares that I'd bought, would have gone up 10%. We all agree on that. Then I go, I'm going to sell. I'm going to trim off the top. You're not trimming off the top. You're trimming off the bottom, because the FIFO rule applies to brokerages as a default setting. First in, first out. So what you've just sold is the 2,000 shares you already owned, and they are an average of 53 cents. So you have lost. Now, some of you said, but that's great because you can harvest a tax loss. You can't harvest a tax loss if you buy and sell immediately. You have to wait 30 days. So you've got no tax benefit to doing that. You've just lost money. Now, you might say, yes, I have sold the first lot, but the lower lot are at a lower price. The ones I just bought are at a lower price. When those shares go up another 2%, you will now be at a wash. If they go up 4%, you'll now be up 2%. You'll start making money on those shares that you've just bought. Yes, but you've just lost on the shares that you sold earlier. So you've made no money at all, even if it goes up. And as we talk about that, Virgin Orbit is doing that. The only way you win is if it goes up above your average price. If it goes up above your average price, then you win. Because then you're still selling the ones at the top, but you've now got lower ones, but now you've won overall. And I made that mistake when I first started trading and investing. I'm on Robinhood, and I was selling thinking, oh my gosh, I'm making all this money when it popped up. Now, there's more to the story. You can actually fix the problem. With some brokerages, you can do what's called a lot sale. You can tell your brokerage what shares to sell. And Robinhood, you send in an email. They are working on adding it as a new feature, but right now they will sell first in, first out. If you, within 3 days before the trade settles, say, I want to sell, you send them an email, there's a special little form you fill in, and say, I want to sell these shares, the ones I bought today at this price, they will sell those. So you will actually make a profit. So, if you are a day trader and a scalp trader, what people normally do is buy, sell, done. They buy, sell, done. They buy, sell, done. They're not dollar cost averaging down until they're up. Now you can take a loss, but there's no benefit, there's no tax benefit. There are still some benefits because you might want to go, all right, I want to buy it lower, but it doesn't really make any sense because you've lost money. The shares you've already got, you paid for those, what you paid for those. They're never going to make any money until those shares go up. So you're just kidding yourself, telling yourself, oh, I've made all this money. You haven't. You've lost money. So there you go. Anyway, so let me read some of these comments. I'm scared to death that some of you didn't know this. Afternoon all. Dave Mottram, good afternoon. The other side of the trade is you don't cut losses quickly. So not good. Thanks, Leah. Cheers, Leah. Hot chocolate with marshmallows and cream, please. It's a matching principle, says Mayor. Do I have to use FIFO or could I use LIFO or average cost? If you've got that on your brokerage, which allows you to sell your last ones, then absolutely great. Just be aware of the rule. Some of you had no idea about it and you were just selling. You told me I was wrong, but that's what my comment said. George Tremaine, hang on, let me scroll up. There was part of your comment that was wrong. Let me look at it. Let me go up, George. Part of your comment was wrong. That's why I said it was wrong. George Semaine. If you could repeat it, it'd be easier for me. But I'm scrolling up. The method and decision process is what's important, not a specific number yet. If you sell at any time below your average, you make a loss on that trade. If you sell at any time below your average, you make a loss on that trade. Yes, I apologize. You were correct. You were correct. Sorry about that. Scroll back down again. Oh, crap. Didn't know about the 30-day rule. Yep, the 30-day wash rule. Now you do. This isn't tax advice. I don't give tax advice. I'm just sharing my experience. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. E-Trade has lot sell feature. There you go. The only way you win is to like and subscribe to Martyn Lucas. There's no other way. He's dead right there. That's the best. That's the best advice you're going to get all day. The bell has gone and I missed it talking to everyone. Damn. Never mind. What's important is not ringing the bell. Is making sure that you guys stop losing money. Ding, 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 and we're away. Let's go into our portfolio. There we go. The overall portfolio is up. Virgin Galactic, the S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up today. Virgin Galactic is going up now, 2.6%. 415. Virgin Galactic is moving up on yesterday's news. We could have a flight any day announced. I'm holding my position. I've added to it when it was down. I didn't go over the top. Didn't, go absolutely crazy. But there you go. Virgin Orbit. Bounce back up again. A lot of scalp trading going on there. What you can do if you want to make money is use your other account. I have on Robinhood now a brokerage account and a Roth IRA. I have two accounts. I could sell on one and do the day trading, the flipping, the scalping on the other account and keep it all clean. Make sure that I sell the right shares. All right. Okay. Now then, we got 60 people watching this morning and we've only got 24. Wow. Really aggressive scalp trading here. That worries me that either people expect it to go bust. There's no news out. There's nothing official yet. However, that is a concern when I see the stock pounding up and down like that. I'm just holding my position. I'm not going anywhere. Right then, we need to get 50 likes on the video. We've got 61 people watching. Phenomenal audience this morning. 61 watching, only 24 likes. That's not good enough. Let's put a minute on the clock. Come on, folks. I go live up to 10 hours a day. It's completely free. I make no money from the live shows other than memberships and super chats. You only make money on YouTube from making videos. Please smash the like button. It shares to more people and it really, really helps the channel. There you go. When you smash the like, your thumb will come up on the screen. It's a new feature that we've got. We've got 26, 27. There's somebody else. See all the thumbs coming up? If you smash the like button, your thumb will fly across the screen. 27, 20 seconds to go. $16 seconds. Come on, guys. Help me out. Oh, look at all those likes there. Look at that. We've jumped to 31 instantly. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. There you go. That's more like it. Wake everybody up. Wake everybody up. What's going on? So let's go back in. We've got some breaking news here. Wash rule is not illegal, but can't tax harvesting, remember. Of course, you can buy and sell for a loss anytime you like. You just won't get any tax benefits from doing so. Anyway, good afternoon, Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro, one of the most important polls we've ever done on the channel. And the answer I posted on my Twitter account, and I cannot believe it, 50% of our audience this morning would have lost money not knowing how this works. Ali Tizro, here is the link to Twitter. I want everyone to comment on this, and we're going to open a discussion later how you can get around that ruling. Okay, there is the Twitter post. Go and have a little look. Now then, last night we had our best chill out show ever on my music channel. If you missed it, I went to a really special place last night. I had my best members, my best viewers, my best audience ever on my chill out show. There it is, the chill out show. Check it out. I did an hour of unplugged kind of piano music, and you need to check it out. You need to go and check it out, all right? I'm going to update everybody with the progress of my channel in a few moments. I know everyone's watching it. Let's go and look at Mullen. Breaking news on Mullen right now. Here we go. Let's help Martin. Here's a cup of coffee, mate. Nasty investor. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Okay. Mullen. My portfolio is absolutely on fire at the moment. No, it isn't. I shouldn't say it's on fire. It sounds so dramatic. We've had 20% in a day, so I'm up 0.75% is not on fire. I take that back. I'm just excited, but it's not on fire. We need to be realistic. People get carried away. They call a pump when the stock goes up like 1%. It's not really. Okay, I'm still down 27%. There you go. We've got a super chat here from the Nasty Investor. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate you very much. Your comment will be highlighted. Hang on, what happened there? Did you do... I've got 4 super chats appeared. Did you do 4 there? On my thing, it's showing there's 4. Unbelievable. What's going on there? That can't be right. I'm not sure that's right. Anyway, I'm going to celebrate. Thank you ever so much indeed. Mullen is moving, but not quite as much as everybody thinks. It's only up... It's up 18%, of course, which is great, but I'm still down. Thank you ever so much for that payday. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that. Arrival is up 5% as well. Mullen, we've not bought any more. Oh, hang on. That's on my brokerage account. Roth IRA. Let's see. There we go. I'm down just 4%. There you go. That's better. I thought that was a bit low. Anyway, I'm still down on it. I bought some more. My average is 12. So, very good. I don't understand what's the important poll. Just had a look. I don't understand what's the important poll. Just had a look. Oh, I see. Of course, you wasn't here. You wasn't here, was you, Ali? You wasn't here. You missed out. Sorry, mate. Well, okay, Ali, I'll very quickly, for the benefit of Ali, he is a very important member of our channel. Ali, do you notice you've now got a badge on the screen with a spanner? Can you see it? Moderator and a badge. It's a new upgrade to our channel. Okay, I asked very quickly, in 30 seconds, Virgin Orbit, I got 2,000 shares, Ali. All right, I hope you get the answer right, otherwise you're going to look silly, right? 2,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. I'm down 25%. I buy another 2,000 shares at market value right now. Brilliant. I've halved my average. I'm down a 12% loss. Okay, makes sense. We all agree. It then pops up 10%. Still down 2% overall, but I've just popped up 10%. I then sell 2,000 shares on Robinhood. Robinhood's important. I then sell 2,000 shares on Robinhood. Do I win or do I lose? And as you can see, half of our audience said I win, and they were wrong. The answer is I lose because of FIFO rules. Fight first in, first out. You have to lot sale. If you do that, the only way you win is if you're up overall on average. Otherwise, you've just sold the stocks, the shares you paid 55 cents for, and you got something like, I don't know, 48 cents for, or something like that. You lost. All right, so there you go. And half of our audience said we would win. So I was like, oh my gosh, we need to sort that out. Anyway, Brickmark is looping the music. Thank you so much indeed. Arrival is at 15 cents and going up, it seems. Arrival, they're supposed to be, Mullen is supposed to be delivering their cars today, their vans, apparently, today. No, tomorrow, isn't it? Tomorrow, I believe. Anyway, we shall see. My portfolio is up. Let's have a quick look. My Roth IRA is coming down slightly. Okay. We've moved up today, looking very, very good. 49,102. Remember, we received $100 this month. First month ever that I've received $100 in dividends. It's the best ever month ever. Learned a few things today, so thank you. They're very good. I mean, that bit of information there, aviation, that's, that information cost me about $10,000. I was selling thinking I was winning all the way, and I didn't realize until someone explained it to me, and I went, oh my God, I've just lost about $10,000. And oh my God, I've just lost about $10,000 doing that. Anyway, you learn, and I want everyone to learn from my mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. Anyway, there we go. Thank you ever so much for that wonderful super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much. Thanks ever so much for that. I appreciate it. Jason Fallon. Anyone else watch this channel more if he didn't smack his lips together? Anyone else watch this channel more if he didn't smack his lips together? What am I doing? Space Monkey, what am I doing? Would anyone else watch this channel more if he didn't smack his lips together? Oh, flippin' heck. Am I smacking my lips together? Can someone tell me about that? Can someone tell me about that? Should we ever... Right, I'm going to end the poll now. And we've done that. You all got the answer on Twitter. If you didn't get the answer and didn't understand it, we're going to have a discussion later on Twitter. So here is the link to the post. I've pinned it to the top. And there is the post. And if you want to go and check it out, you can. I'm going to do a poll. I had no idea. Am I smacking my lips? Someone has just told me. It's not a member, so it could be a bot. We can't verify it. But I am concerned about it, so I'm going to share it. Yes or no? There you go. VHC trade. Any news on Virgin Galactic? IonQ going up as well. We are seeing quite a bounce right now. Let's go for all our positions. Mullen. Here we go. Mullen. The S&P. Virgin Galactic up 3% today. We are back in the money on Virgin Galactic. That is because of the flights coming up soon. Virgin Orbit bouncing around. It will help, but it won't make all the difference. But there we go. It's good to see it. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. I'm like, what is smacking your lips anyway? What is that? I mean, what exactly is that? But I can hear the fan. Oh, get out of it! Stop on about the fan. No. Martin, don't sweat the pity thing. I don't pet the sweaty. What? I don't understand it. What's that mean? Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. Want to buy it at 6? Still too expensive. Apple. Amazon. Fantastic. You're never going to see Amazon 88 again. I think we've had that day. McDonald's. 7%. Oh, look at this. Want to see it drop, though. Coca-Cola. I put the information about Coca-Cola this morning. Maybe he meant when you talk naturally, the lips close. He doesn't want you to speak. Oh. What was the sense of that? Anyone else trying if it doesn't smack his lips together? Space Monkey. So maybe Space Monkey is just a scammer or a bot. I don't know. Okay, it does happen. We do get it a lot, more and more every day. J&J is going down. Okay, I've got a buy at 150. Did you see the BTC breakout and fail last night? Did you see the BTC breakout and fail last night? You announced that. Didn't you? About the breakout. For those of you that missed that, this is the video where we explained about the breakout and this was an important video, and Ali explains it. He goes into great detail on the chart. You really want to see this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Bitcoin. We've got our crypto guy on the phone. Ali Tizro's calling. This is a very important video. In fact, I was gonna just play a segment for it from you. But anyway, I'm going to give you the link here. Ali goes into some really good chart analysis, really good explanation, explains why he said it would break out and fall back, and it did. He was right. There is the video. If you've not seen it, go and check that out. Ali, great. Oh, by the way, did you get the information, Ali? It is now translated, subtitled in 13 languages. It's now done. Remember last night I said I would do that? It took me a while. I had to stay up late to get it done, but I said I would do it, and I did it, and it is there. Just give it a second. I'm going to show you. Right, for those of you that didn't see it last night, this was our best ever chill out show. If you've not seen it yet, there is the chill out video. Our best ever chill out video I think we've ever done. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up. Holy Virgin, says somebody here in the chat. Let's have a quick look. I wanted to share this with you. Ali, give it a second and I'll come back to that. It's a little bit. Oh, is it there? Is it there now? Right, look. I wanted to share this with you. It's now translated for our friends around the world. Remember, we got lots of people coming from different countries. Look, there you go. In Korea, we have our friends. Look, 13 languages. There you go. There you go, you see? It's translated in 13 different languages now, our Bitcoin video, for our friends around the world. So if you've not yet seen it, there it is. You might want to check that out. Okay. Thank you again for your music last night after market close. You're the best. You can't be beat. Thank you. That's very nice of you. Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. There you go. Mullen. S&P. Virgin Galactic up 4%. Virgin Galactic is now pumping away. Looking good. Virgin Orbit, or do you mean Virgin Galactic? Oh, Virgin Orbit, look at this. Virgin Orbit. My portfolio is doing well. That's great, thanks. BTC broke to 29,000, then dropped. The video is still valid. Indeed it is. We are likely to see other pop before the dump explained in the video. Check it out. Yes, you need to go and check that out.
By Friday, we're going to see a buzz on Virgin Orbit. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Oh, my. There you go. If you missed that earlier, that was Barbie on YouTube talking about me. Did you, Ali, did you see that? I've now got Barbie on YouTube. Unbelievable. Here it is. Could go bust tomorrow. And then I'm going to give you the answer.
You about this Virgin Orbit bust. Is the rocket going to bust or something? That's what Martyn Lucas talking about.
Martyn Lucas.
No, Barbie, the rocket.
There you go. That's what was going on there on Twitter. Anyway, you've got to learn. One of the biggest things you've got to learn as a online creator is be prepared to laugh at yourself if the world is doing that. So there you go. Virgin Orbit up today. My overall portfolio is looking good. Virgin Galactic, my overall stock is now up nearly 1%. We're at 49,188. Let me read some of the comments. We need new stocks. Good morning, Church of Logic. You've got a badge on the screen now. Can you see it? A badge on the screen with your moderator badge as well. We're still watching two companies that ain't going anywhere no time soon, says Church. I'm a bit late today trying to get info on Virgin Orbit to see if a deal would be done. They are pretty tight-lipped about anything. They aren't hiring new positions, and CNBC retracted their article. About Stephen Brown, yes. Indeed. There's the overall portfolio. We are, really heading up now to new, that my all-time high was just below 50,000. We didn't quite get there. Today, possible. I received my first $100 today for my dividends. My first month of $100. That's very exciting. That's going to continue. The Roth IRA, the overall portfolio is moving up. Let's look at Virgin Orbit here. You can see J&J is taking a massive hit. And that is great. That is great. Despite that, how much my portfolio is up, this could be the last dump before J&J explodes. It's one of the best companies in the world with the longest history, one of the best dividends. It's a dividend king. It's about to split its company. I think that this is one of the best buys for me. I've shared information on my Twitter account about that, why I think it is. I go into detail about it. So if you've not yet followed me on Twitter and you want to read why I bought, it's the biggest percentage of my Roth IRA. Look, in my Roth IRA, Johnson & Johnson is 43% of my portfolio. 43% of my portfolio. And I've been buying it down. One of the best companies in the world you can buy. I told you about Facebook being the best stock you could buy on the stock market. Amazon being the next. This is the next one. This is all overreaction to not the talcum powder situation, the unknowing of the split, not the stock split, the business split. It's good for the company. You can see it's starting to bottom out now. I've been buying more. The dividends itself is worth it on this one. So I've been buying it. This is not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm holding my position. And I am absolutely blown away how much my portfolio is up despite J&J being down here. I'm still down 4%. I could buy some more, but I'm not going to. I've got, look, in my buying power, if you actually have a look, in my buying power, I do actually have, it says 200 bucks available, but I've actually got a lot more than that. I will share with you on the screen this way, a much clearer way of showing you. Here we go. I've got buy orders for the S&P, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson. So I've got 1,177 pending orders. So it leaves 220 unassigned. So there's plenty of money there waiting to buy these dips. So as you can see, that's what's going on there. Anyway, looking really, really good. So I can't wait. If we get one more drop, it'll pick up, hopefully. But I'm not buying anymore. I don't need to. I've got plenty. Barbie doll guy, a little creepy. His girlfriend probably... Honestly, nasty investor, that's exactly... I thought it was odd when I first saw it. When I first saw it, it did. Honestly, it was like, freaked me and Leah out. What's all this? And we had discussions all night about it. And I thought, wow. And I said, Leah, you want to go on Reddit? There's hundreds of memes and stuff like that. And I thought, flipping heck, is this what it's all about? So anyway, I decided this is my world now. You have to laugh at yourself, roll with it, have some fun. And so I did. So I've put it out there, shared it. And if it was offensive or horrible, it might be a bit strange. But, Monty Python is strange and odd. But someone's gone to the trouble to do it, so I've shared it. Yes, it is J&J. Yes. 43% of my Roth IRA, not my brokerage account, my Roth IRA. It's down 4%. There you go. Yes. I'd like your... in fact, I'd appreciate actually. I would like your thoughts on that. Let me give you that. You're all having an opinion on that. This is what it's like. The life of a YouTuber. I'm afraid, for good or bad. That's how it is. So I'm going to, here we go. Copy the link to the tweet. I would like your thoughts on it. What do you think about this? Imagine being me and you wake up one morning and you see that. So here is the post. This is the Barbie doll post. There you go. There you go. It's getting some views right now. There's the link. Give me your thoughts on it. Tell me how you'd feel. I'd like to know how you feel about it. It was kind of odd waking up in the morning one day and reading that. Yeah. Anyway, celebrity life, Martin. Well, I used to be famous years ago, real famous. You know what I call proper famous when I was selling tickets around the world as the world piano man. I was selling venues out. That was fame. I don't know if being on YouTube is famous. I am only, if I am famous at all, because Google or YouTube or Twitter share my posts. I have no control over it. Whereas when I was doing my shows, it was all just people. People telling their friends, go and check Martyn Lucas out. I know you're sharing it, okay? You're telling people, but it was people coming to concerts and then sharing it. Whereas here, you're only successful if the social platform shares your post. It's very difficult to be successful online with YouTube or Twitter or anything else. You require not just the people, which is what I had in the real world, if you like, in-person concerts. But you are relying on the algorithm. You are relying on a computer sharing your posts. Yes, it's real people reading it, but it's reliant on the system. So YouTubers who get really above themselves, and I'll tell you a true story. There's someone on TikTok who had a very sad situation, a very sad incident. They had millions of followers on TikTok, and they'd never been famous in the real world, like when I did my shows. They got famous on TikTok. She was about 16 years of age, young girl, millions of followers, and she thought, I'm a rock star now. I'm a rock star, I'm famous, I'm a rock star. And she decided to put an event on. And decided to put an event on where everybody could come and meet her. Sign T-shirts, sign photographs, like Elvis Presley or like Elton John or something. And she had millions of followers all over the world who followed her. She hired this venue and nobody came. Nobody came. Nobody came. And can you imagine how she'd felt? But it was a good lesson. You're not famous on social media. I'm very thankful and humbled by everybody who watches me. But I understand everyone could switch off tomorrow. You have to build a family and a community, not just get likes and followers. You have to get people who are truly emotionally engaged. And I think that's what we have here. Because when we put on our event in England last summer, and we only had at the time about 2,000 subscribers. Maybe not even that, actually. A year ago. Was it 2,000? Something like that? 2,000? And we had about 15, 20 people turned up. With just 2,000 subscribers. And remember, they're all over the world. So the chances are, people aren't all going to meet in England. Let's be honest. If one person had turned up, that was better than that girl who had millions of followers. And we did. We had about 15 or 20. And I think this year, when we do our convention, We do it in the New York Stock Exchange. I think I'm going to get about 40 people, maybe 50 turn up. And that is great. And the reason for that is not because of me. It's because of the community that we're building. You guys are really engaged every day. You don't just click on and follow and it means nothing. It's part of your lives. And this girl made that mistake. She thought she had a few viral videos on TikTok. She had a few million viewers and she thought she was famous all of a sudden. And when she hired a venue, her mum paid all this money to hire a venue, she felt flat because that isn't fame. Elton John is famous. He sells records. He sells tickets. People travel all over the world to see Elton John. And they did for a while to see me, actually. But, you know, that, well, not all over the world, but they traveled around the countries where I was in to see me. So fame on YouTube is not fame at all unless you have a real following. A real following. And it's not just, I've got 1 million subscribers. It's, do they watch every day? Do they engage every day? Then you have a following. Anyway, just sharing that with you. Let me have a quick look here. Some of the comments. That's a cool badge. Looks like the sun. It's good, isn't it? Yes, that's your membership badge and your moderation badge. It's a sunshine boy, a Barbie doll guy, a little creepy, probably inflatable. Let me read this. I'll send tomorrow soon. I'm not sure. I'll send tomorrow something. I look forward to that. Not the life of Brian, but the life of Martyn. He's not coming out now. Go away. He has a mother, you know, incontinentia buttocks. Bunch of USC videos and then pop up. Have you seen this one? I send it to Discord, Ali. I'll have a look later. Project Freedom. Do a demo of Virgin Orbit of you promoting their rocket for them and send it in and ask them for reply. That's a good idea. I like that idea. Virgin Galactic just selling off a little bit. Guess what's next, Martyn? And people, yeah. I don't want to be famous, just comfortably numb. There's no pain. You are receding. Oh, best song ever. I've watched that 100,000 times. Comfortably Numb, Pink Floyd. Oh, I love that song. Good idea, Project Freedom. And when I make the video, everyone comment on it, right? New Mexico. No, we had a poll, church, and it looks like most people want to meet in New York. It was like a big majority. I want to go to New Mexico. Amazon and Apple are going up. Virgin Galactic just coming down. Virgin Orbit is, see how it's just pumping and dumping. Very, very careful. Project Freedom, the difference between Elton John and you. Elton John had somebody financially backing him to get him up and running, and nobody you were doing this. Thank you very much indeed. Well, that's why One Night in Vegas lasted 7 years, and then in the end, I lost it all. It went bankrupt, if you remember, because I was funding it on a credit card. It's a video of you being happy losing 40. Oh, what's that? Who is this person? Do you know them? It's Flight Channel. Fight Channel. Fight Channel was in the is here now. Yes, Fight Channel is here. This is our Barbie guy. Our Barbie guy. There you go. There he is. Flight Channel. Sorry, Fight Channel. Me losing 40 grand. Let me have a look at that. Where is that? I'm going to grab that video a minute. This is me losing 40 grand. Well, that's good to know, isn't it? Oh, flipping hell. Why is someone... Where did this come from? When did this come out?
Wait, Barbie. Hey, where you been at, Barbie? Well, you know I've been working on my life.
Okay, it is. You're right. Here it is. I've just seen another one. Here we go. Let me have a look. I will share it. I will share it. Here we go. Let's see. We're making Fight Channel very, very famous now. Hopefully, it'll give me a super chat. Let's have a look. Let's just look at this one.
Hey, Razzleton, where you at, man? I gotta ask you a question. Oh, what, Barbie? Welcome back anyway, Barbie. Hey, where you been at, Barbie? Well, you know, I've been working on my live movie that's getting ready to come out with Kenny. Kenny, my boyfriend, yeah, you know, I love making that movie. I can't make more money because you've been telling me to be watching this guy, Martyn Lucas. Yeah, have you been watching Martyn Lucas videos, his shows, live shows, and all that good videos he put out? Oh, yeah, I really do, but I got a question. Why is he so happy that he lost over 40,000? You know, so I watched that short here. What short you talking about? The short right here? You want to see this short right here? Know what you talking about?
Lost over $40,000
this short right
on
here.
My brokerage account with Robinhood. Why am I happy all the time? Why am I smiling? Why is me Stepan? Click up here. What's going on?
Yeah, that's short right there. He's talking about we gotta go see another video, but he was pointing up, but I didn't see nothing to click on to go to the next video to watch it. Well, I don't know, Barbie, but I guess we need to go look at other short and see what he's talking about. Why he's so happy he lost over $40,000 in the stock market. You know something, Branson? If I lost that money, that type of money, I probably lost more because I got billions. I'm worth billions, you know. I'm worth billions of dollars. I got it all in the stock market now. And you're not pulling that out? That means you ain't losing.
There you go. This is my life. Anyway, I've just made Fight Channel famous. He's in the chat. I'm surprised he hasn't come on and said something. I've just made him famous. Anyway, that was fun. Mr. Beast did that once for a channel, and I'm not saying I'm Mr. Beast, of course, but it went viral overnight. But anyway, Hassan, yeah, is this what is going on? Yeah, this is what's going on in my life right now. Hassan, I'm out. All right, you didn't give me a chance to explain it then. All right, Hassan, I was trying to explain it. Never mind. Give it a second. I'll explain it. Yes, Ali Tizro's going. What sort of world do you live in? Right. Okay. This was made. This isn't me. I didn't make that. Okay. These are the people that watch my show, fans of the show, sent all sorts. I'm just sharing some of it. I just shared a moment with you there. All right. Let me read a comment here. I've got a comment. I think it's in Korean. Let me just see what it says here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What are you? I think you're probably behind the stream, perhaps. Anyway, welcome to you.
가짜짜짜짜짜나.
There you go. That's let's go. Let's go. Time to hire someone. Virgin Galactic is up at 2.22. Virgin Orbit going back down again. Look at that scalp trading going on. Be very, very careful if you do this. It's an opportunity. What people are trying to do is lower their averages, but most of them are losing money unless they know what they're doing. 50% of you this morning would have lost money. I can end this now. I'm not sure what that was all about, lip smacking, but there you go. Vorb is down. Let's move on from this topic now, guys. Let's move on, please. Thank you. Apple up 0.63. Amazon 1.4. McDonald's is down 0.6. I'm looking for a buying opportunity. Hello, our friends from Korea. Yes, indeed. We want to welcome all our friends from Korea today. Let me just put a welcome. Welcome to... why am I typing it? I forgot that. I can just say it. Welcome to all our friends in Korea. Welcome to the show. Today is a great day, and thank you for being here. I now have videos with Korean subtitles made just for you. They appear 2 days later. All right, let me do that now. Change that word. Welcome. Okay.
한국에 있는 우리 친구들을 환영합니다. 쇼에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 오늘은 좋은 날이고 여기 와주셔서 감사합니다. 이제 당신만을 위해 만들어진 한국어 자막이 있는 비디오가 있습니다. 그들은 2일 후에 나타납니다.
McDonald's, Coca-Cola is up 0.13. J&J, a little drop. It's bouncing back. Ali, how is Coinbase? You mentioned it in Discord. VORB at new low. Yes, VORB at new low. It's going down again. This is a concern. Scalp opportunity, perhaps. Remember, though, you can get caught with this. 22 is right, holding out. It's only a great trade if you know you're going to get it to go up. And you don't. It might well do that. But it might just go to 10 cents as well. Mullen is up 9.25. Let's go back to Mullen. Up 0.62. Mullen is up 10%. 0.49. Ali, I'll give you a call after the show. Virgin Galactic is up 1.54. Virgin Orbit. Now then, is it going to bounce off here? Be very careful if you do this. It could well do that, but you are taking a gamble. You've got enough. I've got enough invested in it. Remember, I'm not trying to beat the market, time the market, beat anyone, but the richest man or whatever. All I want to do is grow a steady portfolio. That's all I'm looking to do. Now then, we've got a couple of things here you may have missed. Here is our chill out show last night. Oh, actually, I'll do this for our friends in Korea who might have missed it. Here is a special music show that I think all my friends in Korea would really enjoy. The link is below this comment.
여기 한국에 있는 모든 친구들이 정말 좋아할 것 같은 특별한 음악쇼가 있습니다. 링크는 이 댓글 아래에 있습니다.
There you go. I'm going to post this now. There's that link there. And then there is the chill out show as well. Okay. Indeed. All publicity is great. I love it. I love what Fight Channel sent in. Is Fight Channel still here? Yes, I loved it. That's why I shared it. I hope it gained him more followers. That's why I shared it. In fact, I'll put that now. So, I was happy to share your video. Hope you got more views. Good luck. There you go. Rivian. all falling back down again. We had a big bounce this morning. Everything popped up. And now the worst thing you can do, this is why I mentioned it this morning on my Twitter. I actually put a post out saying this morning, and this is what I do before the shows go out live. I share my trades, my positions, and it's very, very important to say that we are in a bear market. In fact, we're running a poll right now. Let me see where that poll is. I posted about my Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. That there's that for you. But let me pin this to the top again. We're doing a poll right now, and I'm surprised. I'm not surprised actually at the result. This is exactly as I expected it to be. In fact, it's really good. Here you are. If you want to take part in this poll, this is why you don't buy this morning when it pumps up. Remember I said it could drop back down again? Well, it is. Let me share the link to this. It's pinned to the top. We're running a poll on Twitter asking you, is this a bear market or a bull market? Okay. Is this a bear market or a bull market? There you go. And at the moment, we have 11 votes. 100% saying bear market. So that's why you don't buy a pump unless you are scalping it and you can get out. I also like your thoughts, please, on what you think is the definition of a bull and bear market. Everyone has a different opinion on what that is. So anyway, I'd like your thoughts on that. We are waiting for an announcement from Virgin Orbit. We are still waiting. Okay. We are still waiting for an announcement from Virgin Orbit. There is no news yet. People are just scalp trading it at the moment.
우리는 여전히 버진 오빗 발표를 기다리고 있습니다.
It's the last day for Ali's discount. His premium service will go up tomorrow. So if you wish to get in there, this is your last opportunity at the current price. If you want to do that, I'm going to give everyone this video here. If you missed it, let me go to my account a minute. This is Yahoo. Back to my account. We have a competition. We're giving away a cash prize tomorrow morning. We're giving away a cash prize tomorrow morning on the show. Just bear with me as I open up the account. And it was this one here. Okay. This video here. This will explain about Ali's services, but we're also giving away a cash prize. There you go. If you want to win tomorrow, cash prize tomorrow. We have a cash prize giveaway tomorrow live in the show. You need to watch the following video.
내일 라이브로 상금 증정 이벤트가 있습니다. 다음 비디오를 볼 필요가 없습니다.
Okay, so we're getting a second bite at the cherry now. The markets are bouncing up again. Mullen, the S&P, Virgin Galactic had a nice bounce and a scalp. Virgin Orbit is all-time lows again. Ali Services, you made it sound like a snail salon. Nail salon. Ali Services. Okay. Virgin Orbit now, all-time low again. So that's what you've got to be careful of. If you're trying to scalp this, be very, very wary that it potentially could go bankrupt. You've got to be aware of that. It's a 20... Ali, could you post the video then, please? Could you post the competition video for me? I'm just going to take a small restroom break. I'm going to take a small restroom break right now. So I'll see everybody back in a few minutes. We're going to end it now on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed for joining me this afternoon. See you back later. I'm just going to take a short break and I'll be back very shortly. Don't go away. Okay. Give a few seats away on Virgin Galactic. Goes, you're now the boss. I love that. Brilliant. Okay, take a short break. I'll see you back in just a few minutes' time. If you've not yet subscribed and rung the bell and smashed the like button, please do. Please do that. Right. Let's get to 50 likes and we'll do another impression for you. Virgin Orbit is going down again. I'm not buying any more at the moment. Very, very careful if you scalp trade this. There's the video. Thank you, Ali. If you want to keep posting that and explain with my moderators and my members in the chat, please engage with people now. It'll be very helpful. Let them know I'm on a break and explain. I'll be back in just 5 minutes. See you back in 5 minutes. Okay, we're back with you once again. Thank you very much for sticking with me. Thank you so much. Let me read some of these comments out. Yes, here is the competition video. And this is verified information because it's got a badge and a moderator. You can see this is one of my moderators and members of the channel. Here is the video. Comment XRP to win $15. There you go. Julian, Martyn Lucas gave away a seat. Do you have a big restroom as well as a small one? Do you have a big restroom as well as a small one? I don't know what that means. I do have two, yeah, I guess, but two toilets. Great time to watch the video in the background. Comment. There you go. Perfect time. Ali, do you have to be here Friday morning? Yes, as always, you have to be here Friday morning. Yes, you have to be here to claim. Rules are in the Martyn Lucas Discord, same as previous giveaways. Absolutely. In the competition channel on Discord are all our rules. It's free for everyone. It's free to enter. It doesn't require anything, and you don't have to be a member. But you have to watch the video, you have to leave a like and the comment XRP, and you can be in the draw tomorrow. Absolutely right. Thank you. Martin will be back shortly. In the meantime, it's time to watch the video. I like it. Great idea, Ali. We should do that more often. I'll take breaks and you can promote my videos. That sounds like a plan. Doctor Who says Martyn Lucas was seen flying the mothership last night on Radar app. So how can you be in the studio at the same time? Do you have a twin? It quite possibly do. Anyway, we've got a comment here from a guest from Korea. Let me have a look. I'm so resentful of my hand for buying a Virgin that hasn't of my okay. I can't have that post on the channel. Just taking that off. Okay. Some things we can't share, and that's one of them. If we get posts like that, we can't share that. Anyway, Virgin Orbit is down 5.53, a new all-time low again. Rivian bouncing back up. Be very careful if you are scalp trading. We explained this morning how you can actually lose doing that, even if you think you've won. Very, very careful. Okay, the overall portfolio looking good. Let's see now if we can... Let's see if we can get a new all-time high today. The Roth IRA has bounced back down again. We're doing all right. 50,000 is our all-time high. 49,134. Looking pretty good. But it's all down to Virgin Orbit right now. I could easily be over 50,000 now with my dividend today of $100, which is the first month I've ever earned $100. So I'm excited about that. But the problem right now is Virgin Orbit is bringing us down. Let's try and read these comments for you. We've got lots of friends coming in from Korea today. Welcome to all of you. Let's...
내일 라이브로 상금 증정 이벤트가 있습니다. 다음 비디오를 볼 필요가 없습니다.
Ali, would you post the competition video again? That is me announcing the competition video for our Korean friends. So please post the link again, Ali. I'll do it again.
내일 라이브로 상금 증정 이벤트가 있습니다. 다음 비디오를 볼 필요가 없습니다.
There you go. What's going on here? Church of Logic. We now have go out in 13 different languages. We are reaching the world with our channel. 13 different countries regularly watch our channel. We have English, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, and Turkish. And... That is what we'll be doing here, and I can't see the translation. You can't, Well, first of all, we explained yesterday, you missed a very important show. I'm going to share with you some important information to all members. First of all, you can choose which comments you see on the screen. As we get a global audience, you can choose what messages you see on the screen. Okay. Also, you can translate. You can go right click like this and you can go translate to English. So you can actually see what's being said. Look, translate full page. There you go. You can do that. All right. That's important. Okay. And what I'm also able to do is I'm also able to answer and speak in any language of the world as well. So that's another thing that I'm doing here on the show. But we did a poll yesterday and everyone likes it, but just not too much. Okay? Got to keep a balance. All right? Sometimes there may be some errors from our... it's cool, isn't it? Yes. So, Ali, did you post that video link, please? I just announced it. So, Ali, if you could post the competition link, I'm now going to say it in Korean about the competition.
내일 라이브로 상금 증정 이벤트가 있습니다. 다음 비디오를 볼 필요가 없습니다.
Okay, the portfolio is doing well again now. Welcome all. Oh, that's very nice from Church of Logic. Church, I will send that out for you. Would you like to say that? Here we go. I'm going to do this for you. You are a moderator, and moderators and members get extra benefits. And this is the one thing that we do. When you wish to address another perk that we've now added, if you wish to address the world, church, I can do that from you. So here we go. Welcome to all our friends around the world. From Church of Logic, one of our members here, he would like to say welcome to all our friends from Korea, China, France, and Japan today. These are the people that are watching today. Can we get a song? Yes, you can. If we get 50 likes, you get a voice. So here we go in Korean, church. This is from you.
전 세계의 모든 친구들을 환영합니다. 논리의 교회 여기 회원 중 한 명은 오늘 한국, 중국, 프랑스, 일본의 모든 친구들을 환영한다고 말하고 싶습니다.
There you go, church. That was for you in Korean. And we do have a few guests from France today with us and Japan. I will do France right now and then we'll move on.
Bienvenue à tous nos amis du monde entier. Église de la Logique, un de nos membres ici. Il souhaite souhaiter la bienvenue à tous nos amis de Corée, de Chine, de France et du Japon aujourd'hui.
There you go. We welcome all our guests around the world. Okay. The Roth IRA is starting to come up. That was from Church of Logic. That was your message, Church. So, what voice would you like today? You can have Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Eric Clapton, Michael Jackson, Paul McCartney, Neil Diamond, Richard Marx. If we get 4 more likes. Okay, we need 4 more likes for a song. We need 4 more likes for a song. Okay.
Nous avons besoin de 4 autres likes pour une chanson d'accord.
노래를 좋아하려면 좋아요가 4개 더 필요합니다.
I'm afraid I can't do that, Malk. I wish I could. Val Doonican. I love Val Doonican. Take one fresh and tender kiss. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, what's it? Take one fresh and tender kiss, love. Just like this. Memories One girl, one life, one boy, amen. Memories are made of this. That's my Val Dunican impression. Val Dunican, I haven't done that for years. Benny Hill. Down, 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 down. Yeah, Bed, Bath and Beyond is crashing. No surprise, it's a bankrupt company. Louis Armstrong, you get Louis Armstrong then, okay, if we get 50 likes. Louis Armstrong if we get 50 likes. Here is a special chilled out musical concert for all my friends in Korea.
여기 한국에 있는 모든 친구들을 위한 특별한 진정 뮤지컬이 있습니다.
There we go. Right then, we are now at the S&P is up 0.56. Virgin Galactic scalp trading is going on this morning. Thank you very much indeed. Our lovely family there. Let me put you on the screen. There you go. We haven't got one member in Korea yet. Who will be our first member from Korea?
한국에서 첫 번째 멤버가 될 사람.
I wonder who our first member will be. Invitation to join. Here we go. Let's see if we can get our very first member from Korea. That'd be great. I want a member in every country of the world so I can visit everywhere. Virgin Orbit. You see, if you try to scalp this, you could have been in trouble. This is why you have to be very careful. Mr. Lucas, you think Orbit will go bankrupt? I honestly don't know. There is no information coming out right now. We shall see. 50 likes. Okay, so you can have... We've got 50 likes now. So you can have a poll. Michael Jackson or Andre Bocelli. There we go. Start a poll. Which voice today? Michael Jackson, Andre Bocelli. There you go. Which voice today? In the poll, which voice today? Michael Jackson or Andre Bocelli? Okay. Virgin Orbit, be very careful chasing it down. That's what we said.
투표에서 오늘 마이클 잭슨 또는 앤드리 보셀이 위 목소리.
Maru has said Andre Bocelli. Michael Jackson Thriller. BBAI chat. GPT-4 is insane. Going to the biggest AI stock by 2030. Julie Argon. Virgin Orbit is now going down, but my overall portfolio is strong. Remember, it's not about one stock, it's about the overall portfolio. It's absolutely essential that you have a balanced portfolio. And if I share with you my position, look, you can see I'm at 49,000. I'm up today. Stable stocks, dividend stocks. Roth IRA, however, is down. Virgin Orbit is taking a big part of my Roth IRA down. It's a shame, but there it is. Talking to each other, Michael and Andre. I like that. Mullen, we had a nice bounce this morning up to like 20% in fact, but falling back again now. Do you see ChatGPT, Martin? Do you use? No, I've never used it. I don't know. I don't have a clue what it's about. Haven't got a clue, to be perfectly honest. Virgin Orbit is now down 8%. We had a nice bounce this morning, down 31%, 37 cents now. We have some news I'm going to share with you very soon about our best ever prize on the show. It's 100 times bigger than anything else we've ever done here. It's the best ever prize we've ever given away, and we'll be announcing it shortly. Vorb down 50% now. Orbit, ironic. The name is the exact opposite of what it's doing. Indeed. It's scary, but there it is. Sold all Orbit at 0.38. You sold it all. You sold it for a loss. Okay. Fair enough. You've got a very big position. So that's fair enough. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it. Doctor Who sent email asking Martyn Lucas to host the launch from the studio with his smoke machines and his light presenter Rocket Man. So you're out of the stock. Our biggest investor here, 100,000 shares, Mohammed Kahin, has sold out. He's given up on it. He's decided to take his money and run. Mohammed Kahin has sold, one of our biggest investors here on Virgin Orbit. Probably our biggest investor here has sold. I have not sold. I'm not going anywhere. Difficult one.
빡빡이 아저씨 뭐라도 해봐요 우우.
Thank you very much for your comment there. He says, tricky, do one. Pick one. Well, it's 69%, 71% Michael Jackson right now. $200,000 shares at a loss. Why? George Semaine is asking the question. He's decided it looks like it's going bankrupt, so he sold it. That's fair enough. Remember the classic move of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, not in his early years. In his early years, very different trading strategy. But Warren Buffett's principle of investing was to find companies innovative that could break through. Virgin Orbit is that company that are in financial difficulty, swoop in, provide collateral, and then build the business. It's exactly a perfect example of what Warren Buffett does and what Warren Buffett still does. That's what I have done here. But it needs balance. I can't come in and buy 1 million shares with this. It would make no sense. I've got a certain percentage. Right now it's 6% of my portfolio. So my portfolio would drop another 6% if it goes to zero. So I'm holding it. I'm not adding any more. I'm not scalp trading it. We discussed that earlier. And there we go. That's probably what caused the crash. 100,000 sell can cause a drop in price. Could have given us heads up, and I would short. Yeah, exactly. However, what Mohammed Kahin could do is he could sell at a loss, knowing it's going to go lower, and buy it back lower. I have done that before with Virgin Galactic. That can eliminate some of the losses then. And that's a good idea. You can do that. It's coming straight back up again now. Ali, ouch. If it goes to zero, we can send the bailiffs in for the plane. Yeah, I'm sending the bailiffs round as the only person left holding the stock. Okay, it's rising. It could easily rise from here, but just as easy go back down again. Virgin Galactic, the S&P, Coca-Cola today popped up, sold off a bit now. We've got some profit taking. This is what happens with J&J and Coca-Cola. They can become source of funds. You heard that phrase before, first source of funds. A company that has a steady, slow growth, that is currently in a downtrend, like J&J has been, Coca-Cola not doing massive, you can take some money. Remember, there's a lot of old school money in these stocks that's been around for decades. You can trim some off the top to buy an emerging technology or an emerging company. So these big companies can be source of funds. They can drop like this. However, I always look to buy on lower prices and add to my positions whenever they do. These are stocks you hold. McDonald's, I love to buy some McDonald's. It's all about the real estate, not about the burgers. Apple up now. I'm up 11% on Apple. Very strong position. 8% of my portfolio, as it should be. Tesla up 0.93. Want to buy it at 150. Let's check some Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin tried to break out. It broke out and then it plopped back down again. And we're expecting it to bounce around here, around the 28 to 30, and then break all the way down to 15,000. Or drop rather than break. Tilray is down again. Tilray is down 9%. Robinhood up today 3%. Just a very small position in Robinhood right now. I'd like to own more. SoFi, nice little bounce today, up 0.96. IonQ had a nice little bounce today, up 3%, 3.56. Ford is up 2.2. Church of Logic will be happy with that. Rio Tinto today is up 1.77. I'm not currently in. And we've got Meta over $200 again. It's not the time to buy it now. It was at 100, and I bought some, sold it around the 140, 150. Not at the top, not trying to beat the market, but I did, however, make a good profit. Right, we've got 51 likes. The winner is Michael Jackson. Okay. The winner in our poll was the voice of Michael Jackson. Okay.
설문조사의 승자는 마이클 잭슨의 목소리였습니다.
Thank you for liking the video. Here comes the voice of Michael Jackson. Another day is gone. I am all alone. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. You never said goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go, leaving my world so cold? There you go, the voice of Michael Jackson. That's what won the poll this morning. And if you want to go and hear the whole song, I sung Michael Jackson with a big orchestra in England, a big theatre. You can. I'm going to give you the link for it now if you want to go and have a look at it. It's on my music channel, I think, years ago. Martyn Lucas, You Are Not Alone. I think it was called that, wasn't it? Michael Jackson. Here it is. Here's one of them. This isn't the one I was trying to find, but this is one when I was with the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. Okay. Michael Jackson. At Dallas Cowboys Stadium. All right. Oh, yeah. Famous, see? You don't realize. You don't realize what you're watching. Michael Jackson at Dallas Cowboys Stadium. This is me. During the Super Bowl. No, I wasn't. I'm only joking. Michael Jackson at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. There you go. What TA charts, etc. do you recommend, Ali? It's a minefield of adverts out there. It is indeed. You are dead right there. It's very, very difficult to know what to do. I am right with you there. It is.
Another YouTube special. Tonight we are here on the Star, here in Frisco.
Dallas Cowboys.
Doing a fantastic corporate gig at the Omni Hotel for Sleep Dallas. We're just about to get the gear in. Join us in a few minutes from the stage.
There you go. If you want to see me at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium doing Michael Jackson, there is the link in the chat for you. All right.
Be there.
I can't play the audio, I'm afraid.
You are not alone. I am here with you.
Okay, all right. Check out the stadium gig. I hope that didn't get a copyright flag there. I didn't mean to play it for that long, but hopefully it won't. Stocks are going back up again. How about Freddie Fender the twist? Freddie Fender the twist. I could a chubby checker the twist. Look. Oh, come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Chubby checker and the fat boys. And let's do the twist. Take the world by the hand and do the twist. There you go, Chubby Checker and the Fat Boys. There you go. So there you go. If you want to get see me there doing the with the Dallas Cowboys and all the cheerleaders. Look, see, doing Michael Jackson, pretty good. Oh yeah, I was famous once. Anyway, there's the video. Here is my Michael Jackson video with the Dallas Cowboys.
여기 댈러스 카우보이즈와 함께한 마이클 잭슨 비디오가 있습니다.
You asked what we think a bear market was earlier. Check my answer above. Ali Tizro, I need you to post it below the Twitter poll. Not here. Not here. What are you doing? I want you to post it here. This is the place to post it. Right here. So everyone can see your answer. I can pin it to the top. There's the Twitter post there, look. That's what I'm talking about here, look. Bull market, bear market. There you go. There it is, right there. On reports, Canoe, we are doing earnings reports. We've got more earnings reports coming in. The overall position. We're coming up to the end of the show right now. The portfolio is rising again. Looking good. I don't think the Roth IRA is, though. Oh, it's just bounced back a bit. Let's have a quick look. Virgin Orbit is coming up again. So we're now up to 49,096. 50,000 is our all-time record. We never quite got there. We're just underneath it. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Mohammed Kahin, how do you feel now? You sold it at a loss. How do you feel now? Ali says, my Twitter is private. Sorry, read my messages. See what you think. You can use my answer. Okay, I will scroll back up. Let me have a look, Ali. In terms, I can do... Let me have a look. Ali Tizro. Here we go. This is Ali's interpretation. A bear market is a market where prices decline significantly, often by 20% or more. But I used TA, technical analysis, to help identify when a market is transitioning from a bear to a bull market. A series of higher highs and higher lows can signal a trend reversal. Thank you very much indeed for that, Ali. It's a good... There are many interpretations of a bear market and a bull market, so it's great to get your thoughts there. Right, we're coming to the end of our show. Virgin Orbit is trying to sell out off again. Rivian is going up. Tesla. We've got no more news. Let me just check Bloomberg a minute. See if we can get some news. Oh, hang on. This is some interesting news here. Bitcoin news. Let's look at this. Bitcoin. We're hearing a little bit about Bitcoin right now. I'm not sharing the audio because there is music on it, so we don't want to get a copyright flag on that. But anyway, we'll come back to that if there's anything more important that we need. Sky News bringing us news on the war. I still think that the war is going to come to an end this year. I do, sooner than later, in my opinion. Let me end the poll. You got Michael Jackson. We've done that. Tesla. Mo is not here. No, Mohammed Kahin. You can always check if a member is in the channel. If you do the @ sign, Mohammed Kahin. No, yes, he is. Mohammed Kahin is here. Hi, how do you feel? Mohammed McKine is here, and if you do the @ sign and type their name, it will highlight if they're in the chat. So Mohammed Kahin is in the chat. He is watching. Julian Leach says, Martyn Lucas should make a Coca-Cola song advert, Piano Man. Yes, he is alive, TikTok fans. Very good. Okay, the overall portfolio is coming back up again. Some of our stocks are doing very well today. You need a balanced portfolio. That's what we're doing here. Apple, Amazon, all strong. McDonald's, I so want to buy some McDonald's, but it has to go lower. 284 now on Coca-Cola. We might not get all-time lows anymore. We might not. I've said my portfolio bottomed in December. We might not. I've got $1,200 worth of buys to buy in my Roth IRA, and there's nothing yet going down. Nothing has presented itself at the right price for me. So there's nothing yet to buy at the moment. I think Coinbase portfolio is down a bit today. Let me have a look at Coinbase, shall we? Should we look at the heat map as well? Let's have a look at a few things. We will wrap up the show and do day trader of the day. Now, this is the heat map. Bearing in mind, this is 15 minutes ago. This is 15 minutes behind, so it's just a little bit behind. Let's look at my Coinbase account. Remember, we've only got about 30% of our money deployed. The rest of it is in USD, so it's secured. It's not actually doing very much at the moment. Here is my position, 1,139. So still very good performance. Very happy with that. My ledger, 1,069 this morning. It's the same, hasn't moved. That's good. Oh, 1,062. There we go. Dropped a tiny bit. That's Bitcoin has fallen slightly. But all this was up from about $600, so it's all a win for me on that. I think I was right about space being a buy when it was down at 380 a few days ago. Well, it's very early to tell. We need that flight. We need to see the flight be successful. We need commercial flights to begin. So it's a good time to be in. However, I am expecting a lower price. Virgin Orbit will bring it down if it defaults and it goes insolvent. It's an all-time low again now. Very difficult to scalp it. It's not popping up and down as much as it was. It's running out of energy. No one's really buying it to scalp it so much now. So be very careful. If you decide to follow it down, it's because you believe it's going up ultimately. And that's fine if you do that. But no one knows. Matthew Brown deal fell through. So there you go. And we've reached a new high on our channel, 7,070. We're on track for 1 million views in 78 days, and by December to be at 10,000 subscribers. Very, very exciting. When we get 10,000, it's great because I'm able to do fundraiser events for my members, and all the money on the super chats will go directly to the charity, a registered charity. So that's very, very good. I'm really, really chuffed about that. But now it's time for day trader of the day. Day trader of the day right now. So let's do that. Go to your main portfolio. Are you up? Are you down? I am up again. So I'm happy with that. I will buy Orbit at 30 cents, says Ali Tizro. I'd like to know why you say that, because obviously you are using charts, technical analysis, but it's never been this low. So how do charts help you? How do charts help you? It's never been this low. So you can't see support at 30 or 20 or 10 or 1 cent. There is none. There is none. It's never been there before. I mean, let's look at the overall position over 5 years. It's only been around for a short while, but it's straight down. There is no experience of it supporting or bouncing off this level at all. At the end of the day, whatever you're buying it for now, it's because you believe that the stock will come back. No one knows. No one knows. It could be. And this is how Warren Buffett made his money. He bought companies that are unique, innovative, do things that nobody else can do. And I think Virgin Orbit is one of those companies. It just needs some money because it has the contracts and the customers. If it could just get some money to be able to pay for the day-to-day running costs to get the satellites launched, they will make money. RSI, well, we can look at the RSI. Again, you know, there's no knowledge of where the stock's going because it's never been this low. This is the RSI. For those who don't know what the RSI is, this is when below here, below this zone here is oversold. When a stock is oversold. When it's in this range up here, it's overbought. However, you cannot just use the RSI as like some guaranteed fact of if I buy it here, it guarantees to make money. You have to combine the RSI with many other charts and factors as well. That is way above my pay grade. That's not something that I do. Thank you, George, for letting me know about the advert. I appreciate it. So at the end of the day, don't look at that and go, it's oversold, so I'm going to buy it. Because everybody would look at that, and it doesn't mean anything. All right, you have to combine this information with other information, and even then, it's still your best educated guess. It doesn't mean to say because the chart says it's oversold, it's going to go up. It doesn't mean that. Not a fact. Mo is not here. No, he's not here now. No, you're right. He's left. Oh, no, he's here. Mohammed Kahin is here. He is here. There you go. Mohammed Kahin is still here. So, let's do day trader of the day. I am up 0.74. Let's put a minute on the clock. Up 0.74%. Okay. Thank you for all my members and subscribers over there on TikTok. Thank you for your support. Really. We got Soa V Does 786. One of my. You got the #1 gifter badge. Ah, fantastic. Right. If you get the #1 gifter, I follow you back. And I tag you in my viral posts. There you go. If you are my top gifter, I follow you back. So there you go. Follow you back. And I will tag you in my viral posts. It's a thing I do for my top gifters. I also do that for my subscribers. It helps you grow. I help to promote you. I've got 32,000 followers on TikTok. So it's something I do as a thank you. If you become a subscriber, I actually make you a commercial as well and actually record a video with your channel on the screen, and I post it on my profile to invite my 32,000 followers to follow you. If you'd like that, I will do that for you. But as a top gifter, I will follow you back. All right? It's something I do for all my top gifters. Thank you very much indeed for your support. Thanks a lot. You're very welcome. I hope to help you grow. Okay, here we go. Up 0.74, down 13.8, down 0.01, up 0.18. Am I going to win today? Up 0.68, up 1.18. Nothing in the market but IMO. More tools in the box makes your outcome better. Indeed, nothing is 100% in the market, in my opinion. More tools in the box makes your outcome more likely. That's true. I don't know why every time I use the translate feature on the Korean chat, it jumbles up what I'm typing. Craig, I've no idea what you're doing. I can't comment on that. Up 0.74. It looks like I'm the winner. I'm the winner. There you go. I've won today. That's nice. I've not won for a while. Despite Virgin Orbit being down, I'm still up. The reason for that is today I've received $100 as a dividend stock on my S&P 500, and I've got some risky stocks. Virgin Orbit that's doing not so well, brought me down a bit, but overall I'm up. So I am the winner. So thank you, Martin, for your honest trade. You're very welcome. Give him a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, and give me the sound effects. There you go. I am the winner today. Brilliant. There you go. Okay, it's time to get out of here. And my portfolio is still going up. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you. We've got 53 likes now. Very nice indeed. Mullins on the way up. Virgin Galactic is up 0.61. Virgin Galactic, it's going back up again. Virgin Orbit is still going down. Tide Mark and you, Martin. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Right, time to go. Virgin Orbit is still going down. I will see you all back this afternoon. Oh, I didn't update everybody with the music, did I? I didn't update you with the music channel. All of you are helping me get back to 4,000 watch hours so I can continue my fundraiser events and stuff like that. So let's give you an update now. Here we go. We're at a new high. Yesterday, 2,800. Because of all of you, we are now at 2,900. 2,900. We should hit 3,000 by tomorrow, and then we're down to the last 1,000. Get in. Nothing to fall off. Look, nothing to fall off. It's all up from here. So, guys, thank you very much indeed. Keep looping. We're nearly there now. We're nearly there. Thank you ever so much. My portfolio is going up again. There you go. So, the video I recommend is if you want to see me doing Michael Jackson with the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders and the Dallas Cowboys, there is the Michael Jackson video. Pick one of my playlists. Last night we had our best ever chill out show. A lovely audience, and it was I think my best music I've done for a long time. There it is. There's my chill out music. Go and check it out. Thank you very much indeed. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be at 3,000. That'll be fantastic. I've not been there for a long time. So, I've run out of music, so I've got to start it again. We've had some credits today. We got to do some credits. Looping, thank you, Eric. Let me just see who's looping right now. Who are part of my Lucas Loopers? Let me do a quick poll. Because it's you guys I want to thank when we get to 4,000, which we will. Who is looping my music? Who is a Lucas looper? Hopefully we'll be at 3,000. We'll be at 3,000 tomorrow. Who is looping my music? Who is a Lucas looper? Yes, no. There you go. Okay, let's bring in the credits. Stars on my show today. I think I had a few super chats today. Yes, the Nasty Investor. Thank you very much indeed for the coffees. Cheers, mate. And Aviation Mobile Apps. Cheers to you guys. There we go. Thank you ever so much, everybody over there on TikTok today. Really appreciate it. Next time, watch me on YouTube. It's a much better experience. This is the YouTube broadcast here. And you're missing out. Sorry, not looping today. Start again later, George Semaine. Martin's Mugheads are looping. Consider doing a demo video for Vorb. Thank you, Sid. I will do that. I'm not looping now as I was tied with Martin on Day Trade of the Day, and I didn't get mentioned even though he showed my score. Sorry, Brickmark. The Martin Mugheads are looping. We'll loop later. Right, 78%. Blimey, hang on a minute. That's 6 of you. Brilliant. We should be at 3,000 tomorrow then. Right, that's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate you all. And so, as always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. See you all back this afternoon. Bye-bye for now. It's not ending again. I hate when this happens. So embarrassing. I press the end button and nothing happens. Sometimes the computer goes slow and all of a sudden it's going to cut me off. Ain't nothing I can do about it. I'll press this button instead. Here we go. Bye.